Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome in to Meet Your Neighbor. We have elder law attorney David Groner with us today for more estate planning tips. David, welcome back.
Hey, thanks. Good to be back.
Now, we are retouching on a topic that I think we've talked about before. It's about a parent simply donating their home to their child. Could they still qualify for Medicaid assistance in the future if they need to go into a nursing home?
Okay, that's a big topic. I had a lady proudly tell me at a workshop, well, I've already donated my property to my grandchildren, so I've solved that. And no, she really hasn't, because it creates all kind of problems that she probably didn't think about. One of which is there's a tax consequence to donating versus receiving it through the trust or inheritance. And that is the grandchildren now, when they go to sell that property, are going to have a pretty stiff tax penalty, versus if they got it through the trust or through inheritance, they'd pay no taxes. So that, first of all, is there. And then the next thing is the grandmother is now at risk for any liabilities that the grandchildren may have that could use her property to satisfy those debts. So those are just part of the reasons why it's not a good idea to just donate your property to your children if you're trying to avoid a nursing home risk or to pre-plan your estate planning. That's just not the best tool to use.
Now, what I've gathered over the months that we've had these discussions here on Meet Your Neighbor is that anything that maybe you're not sure about or wanting to give to your children, just go ahead and put that into a trust. Would that be the safest bet for anything, really?
Absolutely. Number one, you not only protect it against any of your creditors and your risks, nursing home, etc., but also you protect the children. So the children, their creditors can't attack their interest in the trust. They can't use the interest in the trust. So it's protected for the children as well as the parents who are creating the trust. So it makes for a nice, a very good tool to use for estate planning.
For more information on trusts or other topics regarding estate planning, you can schedule your appointment with David Groner by calling the number on your screen, or make sure you visit their website to learn more. And for any upcoming workshops that David will be hosting, those can be found on the Acadiana Elder Law Clinic Facebook page.